Everything that we do is untrue.
Oh, yo!
Listening to I put a ring on my nose, no mirror. So like we win every year Super Bowl. When I'm broke, it was epic. Next year my investments was epic.
Tap in Forever Saint with 2 T's. Y'all boys DM me. Rosaries dropping. Drop next month, man. Make sure y'all boys rap on my whip for the season.
Ain't nobody know you. I'm a mogul, I will not approach you. I got black that just keys, it's Atlanta. How we do it, I'm rich and they knew. How we pour it, it's 6 in this fan. Dirty dancing.
Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Maury back again with another video. And I am at 7-Eleven currently, as y'all can see by the title and where I'm at. 7-Eleven's over there. But, bro, there's so many people here. I ain't even have nowhere to park for real. I had to freaking come all the way over here, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, man, we finna get straight into it, but I ain't about to chat for real. Bunch of stuff out here, bro. Already. Them boys already posted up, bro. They already posted up. I just got here, dog. Oh, hey, he was in my thumbnail last time. He was too. Yo, they must be together. What's good, my boy? Ooh, got an M4, yes sir. Woo. Gosh, man. My boy Devontae. If he don't get stopped, bro, he's goated. Oh! Hey, yo, the cops are goated, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They ain't even stopped them boys for that.
Oh, that's sorry, it's getting.
Hey, yo, what the? That boy pooted. That boy pooted. Yes, sir. Get that, get that, get that. Lord had a mercy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, what the? Was that Christian?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, there's no way.
Christian's better than mine, though.
Yeah, okay. Dude. Hey, but get sideways. Oh. I'm recording in oh my. So bright, so colorful. Right. Yo, we have a wow. Man, what are you doing? Oh yeah. Bro, get sideways just one time. Just get sideways, please. Nobody's gonna do it. He's not gonna do it. Get sideways, my boy. Oh, lights ain't even on, bro. Turn your lights on. Hey, he came, bro. As you can see, folks, now we just got regular traffic. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo. Hey, them boys. Yo, hey, bro. Hold up. Damn, that boy valid. Yo, that thing is quick. I like that. Nice, I like that. Hey man, go ahead and shout out the clothing brand, bro.
Y'all boys gonna tap in. Forever a Saint with 2 T's. Y'all boys DM me. Rosaries dropping. We drop next month, man. Make sure y'all boys gonna tap in.
Yes, make sure y'all do that for my boy, man. Hell yes. Finally got to come over here.
They had a lamb chop over there, bro.
Word?
Yes, bro.
Oh yeah, you talking about the Black Hurricane, right? Yeah, I saw it leave.
That shit was hard.
Yeah, I saw that thing leave. Oh, my fault. Yo. Oh, somebody getting towed up like this? Why is somebody getting towed? Yeah, what's going on? Right. Hey, yo, for everybody in the group chat, we gonna whoop Christian ass whenever we all get. He about to back right into my boy. Bro got a real cop lights.
This shit sounds good.
Exactly. Just rev it. Just rev it. Just rev it. Rev it. Rev it. Rev it. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I need to hear it. Yes, sir. One more time. One more time. One more time. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yo, my boy out here manifesting. Yes, sir. That's him right here. Hey, a year from now? A year from now? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next summer, bro. He
Next
gonna be
summer.
over 10K, so.
Hey, look, man. Y'all gonna come out to this video and y'all gonna see bro gonna be in something just like that. Yes, sir. boy blasting that crack. Yes, sir.
Might be too low.
That boy.
That is it. What else is new?
Yo,
What's
chill
up?
out. Hey. Yo, that boy license great. I'm weak, bro. They all running. Bro.
Where's crew top?
Yo, who is that? Who is that? Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Take over to
Yo, why was it so... Why is it spicy? He finally came up. I was waiting for him the whole time, bro. Then, of course, you got me. You know what I'm saying? Yo, he's still going, bro. All these people recording, bro. All these people recording this man, bro. Including me. That's crazy. Yeah, man, you got us posted up right here. You already know what's going on, bro. You already know what's going on. Got us posted up. I probably need to come up a little bit more, to be honest. Yeah, I'm too far back. I need to come up. Hold up. Let me fix that real quick. Real quick, like. Because I knew I was up too far. I knew I was too far back. So let me just go ahead and just go up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. Now, we can see what that looks like. See, because from a distance, it looks weird. Got them boys backing in. Yeah. It does look a little... Man, that gonna cut it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this, man. This was a little crazy. I ain't gonna lie. It's my first time over here. Meat was a pretty good turnout. I will not lie. If y'all want to see more content like this, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Join the family. We almost at 10K, so y'all stay tuned, man. 10K.